disappointment you are, Thatch. His mind's made up to stay, he says. So sod him. And hang all of you lot that follow this sorry bastard into obscurity.
The man's a prick. I know you're come to call me home, Kenway. And your faith in me is kind. But with Nassau done in, I feel I'm finished.
I'm not of the same mind, mate. But I won't begrudge you the state of yours.
You still looking for that sage fellow?
Aye.
Taking a prize a month back, I heard a man named Roberts was working a slave ship called the Princess. Might want to see about it.
The Princess. Cheers, Thatch.
Oh, don't sit there like a barrel of wet fish. We're celebrating my retirement! Uncork this man's breakfast!
Save us a few bottles, eh?
What's he up to? He's come up from the beach and he's sober as a judge.
Have you taken a blow to the head? That's it.
He's a spy.
Jenkins, what's the news? Did you get it?
When I left, they were all deep in their cups. There's nothing to help them now.
Good man. We can proceed without delay. Look sharp. Stevens, make certain there are no surprises.
Aye, sir.
Secure the other side and watch the path.
Aye. You're certain you didn't bring some of those sand rats in tow, Jenkins?
Stay here. Shoot anything that moves. Are the charges set?
All up and down the beach. It was easy. The scoundrels drank themselves witless.
Splendid. On my signal, Lieutenant Maynard's fleet will rain hellfire down on them. A fitting end to their lawlessness.
There was a deserter among them who recalled my face. I sliced into his gullet before any word left his lips.
Anybody see you?
Don't think so, sir. But I reckon Kenway suspects something. He don't miss much.
Tell me about the beach.
A fair gathering, sir. Most too drunk to stand.
That will suit our purpose. Tell me about Edward Teach. What sort of man is he?
It's Thatch, sir, at least. That's what he calls himself. But he's a mad bugger, he is. Cracked as a glass teapot, sir.
Details, man. Stop talking in gibberish.
Well, sir, he likes his drink, for instance. Only he makes him queer. Takes the usual rum flip and fills it with half a weight of gunpowder to top it off.
Did I hear you aright? He drinks gunpowder.
Aye, sir. Just for show. And only last week, he rounded up a score of his crew and bade us sit in the hold of his ship while he burnt off sulfur and other sickening minerals. We just sat there like it was one of a million pits of hell and nothing less ordinary.
Good God. What the hell for?
Like to test his crew is all. Tease out their fitness and what. Of course, it always turned out he was the fittest of the lot. Thought for a moment I'd die there. Bloody savages.
Have no fear, soldier. This will be the end of them. Come on. It's time.
Easy.
Quickly, send the signal. And remember always this day.
If my luck holds, they've missed the jackdaw. Shite! Curse those bastards!
Note the day, lads! The day! Jesus, Edward. Living like this is like living with a large hole in your gut. And every goddamn time, innards spin over the ground. You're obliged to scoop them up and shove them back in. And then it made for sent out in Russia. I undervalue the need for folks of character to shape life with full purpose. Maynard, that shitbird will live with my it's wanted to make his name. Maynard? Who is he? Another of the king's lackeys itching to measure himself against my reputation. All right, Lieutenant Maynard. You've earned your riches. Here I am, Maynard. You boot-licking pissant. Come and get me. That's what a ticket is. That's it to hell. Not so easy when we have cannons to fire back. Hey, Maynard, you bastard. All guns, lads. Give them our answer to their foxy pardon. Keep all those ready for the taking. Brace for impact! Fire! All sails! You brace yourself! Fire! Trying to beat me, Maynard! Fire! Gotcha! Fire! Fire! Raise! Fire! Please don't come on the heads! Except 3 or 4! Let's jump aboard and cut up to pieces! Shall we board and come cross-horns? A double portion to the one who finds me that bloody fire hunter! Hurry along, boys! Take no good! I'll leave you there, boys! How you been
Captain?
He drinks damnation.
Might I have a word, sir?
We recovered this.
We lost Edward Thatch this night. But Blackbeard yet lives. He lives in the nightmares of governors. He lives in the fearful tales told by officers, and he lives in the heart of every pirate who wants only to be free. He will not be forgotten. Not now. Not ever.